Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind teacher named Miss Sarah. She loved her students very much and considered each child special. One of Miss Sarah's principles was that she taught not only book knowledge, but also good morals. One day, a child named Ali was sitting in the class sad. Miss Sarah asked softly, "Son, what happened?" Ali told her that he was weak in studies and everyone laughed at him. Miss Sarah smiled and said, "Every child is special. It just takes hard work." She started giving Ali a little time every day and started teaching him in an easy way. A few weeks later, Ali scored good marks in the exam. Now he was happy and answered confidently in class. All the children started praising him. Miss Sarah said to the whole class, "Look, children, hard work and determination never go to waste." After that day, all the children started helping each other instead of making fun of each other. Lesson: a good teacher not only imparts knowledge, but also teaches children to believe in themselves.